welcome everyone and especially Delhi Police Force on behalf of All India Institute of Ayurveda, which is a tertiary care hospital under the Ministry of Ayush and also a postgraduate teaching and research center which is trying to create an evidence to a classical wisdom of Ayurveda which can serve to the entire nation and humanity. Especially in the wake of this corona crisis, there is an urgent need to improve one's immunity, which will protect everyone from the infection of corona-19. As there is no sure shot medicine, entire world is looking after and fighting for developing some vaccines, some effective medicines. The Ayurveda has a treasure of medicinal plants and has advocated healthy lifestyle, diet through which we can improve the immunity. As we really appreciate and salute to the work done by Delhi Police, and it is said that Delhi Police, Dilwale Police. So we thought at All India Institute of Ayurveda, sitting in a Delhi, to really do something which are the frontline warriors for developing the immunity, because as the police is taking care and protecting us, so it is now time to protect the immunity and enhance the immunity and boost up the immune measures by Ayurvedic measures, which is a science of healthy and happy life. So I am here to explain what we are going to do in a short protocol. I discussed with the entire team of experts, the scientists at All India Institute of Ayurveda and also the authorities of the Ministry of Ayush, and it is unanimously decided to come out with the protocol which is the immune boosting measures which we would like to give for next 60 days to each and every 60,000 police persons in Delhi, and I am explaining the same right now. What we have decided to each and everyone to improve the general immunity, which improves the host mechanism, and by the way of antioxidants, immunomodulation and antiviral effect, Guduchi, Amruta, it is in Sanskrit it is called as Guduchi, and Hindi it is called as Giloy. I have the plant, the scientific name is Tinospora cordifolia. Leaf juice is used, taken 5 ml by everyone in a day, but what is used in a medicine, as a medicine, is its stem, and the maturity index is that the stem having 1 thumb thickness is the mature, so this is a mature stem. So the powder of the stem or the decoction of the stem of Guduchi is to be taken daily, and according to Ayurveda it is said that it gives the effect like a amrut, nectar. It is to be taken daily, and this is daily herbal health promoter. It is called as a superfood. So if it is not available in everyone's home, and I know that everyone is busy and especially the police force, so what we have done, we have come out with the tablets which are made from the giloy, and it is called as Sanshamani Vati, and in the market it is being sold and it is available as Guduchi or Giloy Vati, Guduchi Vati, which is out of stock now because of the advisory released by Ministry of Ayush. But what we have decided, we will provide 2 tablets in the morning and 2 tablets evening for every policeman, so that will take care of general immunity and specifically respiratory immunity. That is to be taken with warm water early morning, in the afternoon and evening, so that there will be no dirt and we can protect from the infection of corona. So this is one measure we will circulate and give to each and everyone. What is required is to just have the health profile and the responses feedback in a small app called as like a Arogya Setu. We have come up with the Ayurveda Sanjeevani app. The data needs to be filled up with the name, mobile number and you have to just fill up your health, what was your health status. Those are very simple, yes and no. You have to just click and send us. So this is one thing we will give to everyone. And the another measure, because as the Delhi police force is always standing in the front on the road, so this oil application in the nose is very important, because if we put one drop of oil instilled in the nostril, that will protect us, and that forms the barrier, that is the guard, which will prevent the entry of the external pollutants, bacteria, fomites and the viruses, and that prevents the entry, and that acts as a natural mask. This is the mask, organic mask. So it's a simple installation of 2 drops, or just put with your nostril when you go on duty while coming out from the home, and after going to the home, retiring to the bed before. If you can apply 2 drops, I think that is the best protector that forms the barrier. So this is the set of oil and the tablets, Sankshamanivati. This is what everyone will get. Now apart from that, there are 2 another categories which we would like to protect, and let me share, being a scientific and the teaching and training institute, we have come out with the herbs and the formulation which are scientifically proved, because Tinospora cordifolia guruchi is scientifically proved. Thousands of papers, scientific papers are available for its immunomodulatory, antioxidant, antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal and anti-inflammatory activity. That, what does it mean? It prevents us from any infection, and especially in this season where more respiratory problems, and there are chances of having the fever, cough, cold and allergic like conditions in this season. So this is the most preventive and prophylactic herb, which is approved by the ministry and CSIR and other scientists also. So this is the one which we have thought, which is a safe, and most important that it can be taken by everyone without the doctor's prescription, and without having done the physical examination. This can be taken by everyone in the family, by all the Prakriti persons and by all the age groups. That's why we have selected. This is a simple yet effective and more precise herb. So this is one thing. The second, in this kit you can see, for the vulnerable population, those who are diabetic and those who have hypertension and heart disease, this is a Avla, Amalak Rasayan. As the advisory in the ministry, they have come out with and indicated and advised to take Chyawanprash. But for the diabetic people, as the sugar cannot be taken, so this Avla processed with the Avla juice, we will give to everyone, those who are comorbid, like vulnerable, diabetics, obesity, hypertension, with heart disease. We will give additional Avla supplement to those to be taken during these days. And we have Avla and Haldi, and this is a Chyawanprash to certain vulnerable group, those who are really emaciated and degeneration. We catch from the basic Arogya Setu and Arorved Sanjeevani app. There is one question which will ask about their comorbid condition. To those we will find out, and we will supply these additional herbs. And those who have allergy and diabetes, to them we will give Avla and Haldi, tablet made up of Avla and Haldi. In Sanskrit it is called as Dhatri is Avla and Haldi is Nisha. So this is a Dhatri Nisha tablet, Avla and Haldi powder. If taken at night with warm water also will give the same result. But these are the tablets made up of Avla and Haldi, that is Dhatri Nisha. So similar type of a combination we are thinking of giving, and this is a Rasayan Churnavati with Avla, Giloy and Gokshur. So that is a general and specific respiratory immunobooster. And Haldi is a respiratory immunobooster, and Giloy and Avla are general immunity booster. So this time we are focusing on the two lines. One is a general immune booster, antioxidant, which will improve the host mechanism and defense mechanism especially, and second is especially lung and heart will take care with the haldi as Dhatri Nisha tablet. So these are the simple measures but effective measures we will like to supply to everyone along with the advisory of Ministry of Ayush. So what we will do, we will provide this kit or the pouches to everyone, to each and every thana and every district. Along with that, we will give the posters and the link of the advisory to be taken care by everyone at home, and even not only police but the families of the police also can boost up the immunity by using and applying and implementing the advisory. So this was one part of the immune boosters and immuno enhancers which we are proposing and recommending for every policeman. And the second part, now in Hindi I will explain what is the advisory which is notified by Ministry of Ayush, which we have prepared, and we are recommending strongly for each and everyone to be